Set in the wooded landscape of Saugerties, New York, Pine Lane House is the transformation of a modest 1980s ranch house into a home that feels far more connected to its surroundings. The renovation includes a 300-square-foot addition, new wood siding, a new roof, upgraded systems, and carefully positioned windows that bring more daylight into the interior. Rather than dramatically altering the original structure, the architects focused on refining its relationship with the site, creating a house that feels open, calm, and deeply rooted within the existing landscape. Approaching the house, the most noticeable change is the repositioned entrance, now aligned with the center of the building. This subtle intervention reorganizes the entire experience of arrival, while drawing the main living spaces closer to the mature trees on the western side of the property. Extending outward from these rooms, a new deck wraps around the existing trunks and sits beneath their canopy, allowing outdoor living to become part of everyday life. A custom steel and wood railing echoes the rhythm of the facade, while a circular hot tub introduces a sculptural element that contrasts with the otherwise simple geometry of the house. Inside, the renovation addresses what was once a dark and inward-looking layout. The design opens the house to natural light and creates stronger visual connections to the surrounding gardens and trees. The kitchen, dining, and living areas are combined into a single, flexible social space where large openings frame views in multiple directions. Throughout the day, the changing light and shifting landscape become an active part of the interior experience, making the outdoors feel present even when inside. Further into the home, the circulation has been simplified by shortening the central hallway and creating a more generous primary suite overlooking the eastern garden. A custom-built bed acts as an architectural element within the room, subtly separating sleeping, dressing, and work areas while maintaining a sense of openness. Even the smaller details reveal the project's thoughtful approach, such as the custom tile backsplash in the kitchen, whose pattern was derived from floor plan studies developed during the design process. Together, these interventions demonstrate how a relatively modest renovation can completely reshape the character of a house, turning an ordinary ranch home into a light-filled residence closely connected to nature.